Ever wondered how to turn your favorite photos into crisp, scalable SVG files for incredible laser cutting or engraving results? Stick around and I'll walk you through the exact steps using Luma-Loft, including special settings for amazing inverted designs on darker surfaces. First up, go to the Tools menu at the top of Luma-Loft and choose the Image to SVG Converter. This tool turns your regular photos into sharp vector graphics that are ideal for laser projects. Now, click the Upload zone and select your photo. For best results, pick a high contrast, well-lit image to make sure the SVG comes out clean and detailed. Before you convert, turn on AI Vectorization Prep. Use Neglect Background option. Next, hit Prepare and let AI automatically optimize your photo for perfect SVG output. Use the before and after comparison slider to check how your photo looks after AI prep. This step ensures you're getting the cleanest result possible. If you enjoy our content and want us to continue sharing tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. Ready to convert? Move on to the conversion step and start generating your SVG file. Take a close look at the SVG output with the comparison slider to spot any differences between the original and your new vector version. When everything looks great, download your SVG. Then open it from your browser's downloads to preview your finished file in detail. Want a special look for engraving on dark materials? Turn on the Invert setting and pick the silhouette frame style. Export, then open the alternate SVG to see how your design ready for engraving on darker surfaces like slate and anodized aluminum. That's it. You've learned how to convert and customize photos into stunning SVGs for both standard and inverted laser engraving in Luma-Loft. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more creative guides just like this.